Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 7 for the subject of computer. Topic is ethics and safety measures in computing, which is covered in chapter 4 starting on page number 40 given in your textbook titled Logic 7 and is being submitted to you on 10th of May, year 2021. This voice is of Rupinder Kaur. So, I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. Children, in present time, internet has become a very important part of our life. Each and every person is using internet for various tasks. Internet stands for International Network of Computers. We can share data and information across the world instantly. As we are using internet for online studies. Advantages of internet. Some of the advantages of internet are discussed below. Number 1. Education. Internet is widely used for educational purposes by both teachers and students. As in today's situation where schools, colleges, etc. are closed, but students are learning or doing their studies through internet. Number 2. Convenient mode of communication. We can easily communicate with each other using various internet services like email, chat, video conference, etc. Number 3. Business. Internet is very beneficial for online business. Meetings can be conducted through video conferencing. One can offer goods and services online. Number 4. E-commerce. E-commerce means electronic commerce. That is a concept of commercial or business deals. With this, one can transfer the information related to business across the world using the internet. These days, almost every company is having their own web portals or websites. We can easily sell or purchase goods online using e-commerce. Number 5. Media and entertainment. With the creation of internet, computers have endless uses in the entertainment industry. We can easily play games, listen songs, and watch movies online. It also provides facility to read various books, magazines, newspaper, etc. online. Number 6. Social networking. As we all are using different social networking sites for communication or for sharing information with each other. Nowadays, we are using WhatsApp for sharing study material with students. Number 7. Forum. Forum is an online discussion site or medium where ideas and views on a particular issue can be exchanged in the form of messages. Number 8. Health and fitness. Using various health websites, one can read about various diseases, their symptoms, and precautionary measures so that If you are visiting your doctor for some reason, you must have knowledge related to that. Children, I am giving you 3 minutes break. During break, read the side boxes given on page number 43. Welcome back, students. Let us start our next topic, that is disadvantages of internet. Internet is very beneficial for everyone, but it can be dangerous also if not used carefully. Number 1, virus threat. Internet is the easiest way for viruses to enter in a computer. It can damage your computer files, computer hardware, and can also steal your important data. Number 2, spamming. It is used for unwanted emails, mainly for commercial advertisements. It can also be used to spread virus. Number 3, theft of personal information. Electronic messages sent over internet can easily be tracked. You should be very careful while entering or sharing your personal information, such as your name, address, credit card number, etc., as they can be accessed by hackers. Number 4, time wastage. Internet provides various beneficial sites, but people generally waste time and energy on searching content that is not useful. Children, our next topic is computing ethics. Ethics mean set of moral principles, which means that you are honest and trustworthy in all your dealings. Similarly, computing ethics is a set of moral principles that regulate the use of computers. Few ethical guidelines are given below. Number 1. Do not use computer technology to damage other users' work. Number 2. Do not use computer to steal information. Number 3. Do not spread wrong information using computer. Number 4. Avoid buying pirated software. Number 5. Do not use others' computer without their permission. And number 6. Be respectful while communicating on the internet. Children, I am ending the lesson here. Kindly read the given assignment carefully. Thank you.